Hello everyone, a few days ago Adobe released a new update for Adobe XD. There's 3 new features added, and first one is the new Hyperlink feature. You can now incorporate hyperlinks to your prototypes, graphics, and text. To add a hyperlink, go to Prototype tab, add interaction by clicking the blue arrow. Under action type dropdown, just select hyperlink and type your full URL under destination input text. Let's go ahead and hit the preview button, and when you click it, it will link you directly to external website. Number 2 is multiple time triggers. In this update, you can now create interactive prototypes with multiple time triggers. Video and lottie animations can now play at the same time. In this example, I already added a lottie file, which is the hologram animation. Let's add another video on the circle frame and let's set it to play automatically. Let's preview the prototype, and now we can see them both playing at the same time. Number 3 update is new device artboards. You can now get started with Apple and Google devices instantly with a single click. Just click on the artboard tool, and on the right side panel, you will see a lot of Apple and Google device artboard ready for you to use. That's it for our January Adobe XD updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one.